Welcome to the next project. Another 3D guitar tool printing project installment. Not really a series, it's just things we come up with and we're just going to keep adding them to the list. In the previous video, I mentioned that Stu Mac sells a neck cradle like this. I think they call it the rock and roll or something like that. You put it on your bench and your guitar neck will sit across here, whatever angle it might happen to be at. Kind of nice. I made this one 5-6 years ago. I don't know, some time ago. 3 moves ago, whenever that was. It's made out of wood, pretty simple to put it together, but it takes time. I've since wanted more of these, one for the garage where I'm at now, and one for my kitchen table or kitchen countertop, or wherever it is I'm working on stuff. So I went to the computer and I designed basically the same thing. Printed it out in prototype pink filament. We've got the cradle, and it will rock to accommodate whatever angle the neck might be at. I also wanted to add another surface so you can set it this way on your bench and lay your guitar across there. This was, like I said, prototype. It's about 3 1/4, almost 3 3/8 wide, I think. And it's a little wider than I needed for some of the things as I was testing it out to get to the frets and the depth of this cut and everything. So went back to the computer, made some adjustments, came up with a refined version that I wanted to print a final piece from. Well, when you set your printer up to print something, it'll tell you the estimated amount of filament, the time, estimated cost. It told me how much filament I would need. And I looked at my spool and I was like, ooh, I'm really close. Yeah, I was wrong. I wasn't close enough. So this shows you what it looks like on the inside of this particular print. I had it set at 10% infill. You can do whatever infill you want. So I set on nuts and went back and printed another one, final. Has the felt on it now, so I can put a neck on there, it works good. Has this cut out, so I can put a neck on there, it works good. A little logo action going on. And as I was putting felt on here, just spray glue and some regular felt, I was like, you know what, I wonder if you could add weight to these. Well, I'm probably going to try it sometime in the near future. Get some really fine dry sand. As this is printing, I will add a pause or a stop and then fill this infill void area with sand, clean it off good, and finish my print. So I will have a weighted neck cradle. That might work. I don't know. If you've already tried this, please in the description, the comments, let us know how it went. For now, we have got a STEP file and an STL file from, or in the description, there's a link. You can get to that. We're going to keep adding to that folder, put more and more stuff in it as we can. But for now, here we are. I want to thank everybody for hanging out with me for the few minutes here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Ring the bell for future notifications. Give it a thumbs up to let YouTube know you like 3D print stuff or guitar stuff, or you just like me. Thank you. Take care of yourself and those around you. Until next time, bye.